Another day, another Amber Heard drama, or should I say, another Amber Heard lawsuit. You guys, what is with this girl in legal troubles? She is like Will Byers in the Upside Down on Stranger Things. She just can't catch a break. But this time, instead of going against her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, Amber has recently found herself in trouble with an insurance company that is suing her for over $8 million. And here's that juicy story you definitely don't want to miss. Okay, so by now we all know the final verdict of the 6-week defamation trial that took place in May of 2022. At the end, Amber Heard now owes Johnny $10.35 million in legal damages and fees. I don't know about y'all, but this is one celebrity I would not want to trade lives with. No Freaky Friday for this gal. Well, just as we thought that Amber's controversial lawsuits are behind us, that's when a Los Angeles insurer decided to go after the Aquaman star. Is she still the Aquaman star though? Wasn't she just fired from the second movie? Anyways, ABC and other news outlets report that Amber's insurance policy does not cover the $8.3 million in losses Amber received after battling her husband in court. According to the lawsuit, the insurance company is suing Amber to prevent her from paying Johnny Depp. So basically, even Amber's insurance policy said, "Oh, no, don't even think about it, girl."
Oh, no, don't even think about it, girl.
But wait, how does that work exactly? Let me put on my Camille Vasquez legal hat and try to explain it better. Just like most celebrities in the world of Hollywood, Amber signed a $1 million insurance policy contract between July of 2018 and July of 2019. Why is this important? Well, when Johnny Depp sued Amber for defamation, Heard was still insured by the New York Marine and General Insurance Company policies. So far, so good, right? Well, as insurance is kind of like a safe fall, Amber thought her insurance policy contract would actually save her from paying up that $10 million fee to Johnny. The same woman who couldn't drop a single tear in court really thought she could use the get out of millions of legal damages free Monopoly card. Well, good thing she doesn't get paid for thinking.
Good thing she don't get paid for thinking.
Let's go back to the story. So, even though Amber was technically insured when Johnny filed the lawsuit, her insurance company is now backing off because of the final verdict. According to the suit filing, the insurance company doesn't have to pay up those millions because of the loss caused by the willful act of the insured. In their lawsuit, the Los Angeles Insurance Company mentions that the final verdict confirmed how Amber Heard acted with malice towards her ex-husband. And that's why the insurance company isn't responsible to cover the damages. And just like that, Amber Turd took another major L she can't run away from. But y'all, this is just the beginning. When I tell you this girl had the cheek, the nerve, the gall, the audacity, and the gumption.
The cheek, the nerve, the gall, the audacity, and the gumption.
To ask the Virginia judge to rule in her favor. Yes, and yes. Right before Amber was slapped with this recent lawsuit, Amber Turd's legal team filed a request for a new trial and to dismiss the old verdict. So, to basically delete the 6-week trial like it never happened and start over again with a new final verdict. I told you guys, there is no stopping Amber. She is kind of like that awkward relative at holidays that just keeps coming back each year. The juicy lawsuit news was originally posted on the now popular Law and Crime Network channel all of us binge-watched during the 6-week trial. Along with explaining what's going on between Amber and her LA insurance policy, here's what the viewers had to say under the comment section. I cannot wait for the judge to respond to this ridiculous stuff she's still trying to do. How can you feel bad for her at all when she still claims to be a victim and lies about literally everything? It's scary, honestly. Even scarier are the people that truly believe her. Wow, Amber needs to just accept she's caused Mr. Depp damage, pay up, and then shut up. Then maybe a healing process can begin, and maybe people will accept Amber as someone who can be seen as being responsible for her bad acting against Mr. Depp. For the first time, I'm on the same side as an insurance company. But the comments didn't stop there, because many of us couldn't help but feel kind of bad for Amber's main attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, even though Elaine had some viral moments like her iconic I'm trying line.
I'm trying.
She really did seem like she was trying her best to come out of a bad situation. But maybe it was Amber's twisted ways that finally got Elaine to think and act like her. Shame, isn't it? Even the viewers agree with me. I'm an attorney. I wouldn't risk getting disbarred for a client like Amber Heard. Elaine was extremely successful before this. Doesn't she want to retire with dignity? So weird. Stop writing, stop speaking, stop reaching, sit down. And now, this brings us to the motion Amber Heard's team filed in hopes of overthrowing the verdict. Conveniently enough, right after hearing the final verdict and Amber's epic loss, Elaine and her team decided to dig deeper into the jurors. You know, to find dirt, Soprano style. And well, dirt they did not find, but made it seem like they did. Okay, I get that it sounds confusing, so let me break it down. In June, a few weeks after the court trial ended, Elaine and Amber's team announced that there was a problem with one of the jurors, more specifically, Juror 15. As you know, the public doesn't know anything about the jurors, including their names, looks, or personal information. But while we may not have all the details, the attorneys who are involved in the cases have all the information. Amber's team alleges that Juror 15's documents showed their birthday in 1945, while public information shows the birth date as 1970. This kind of oopsie can be very problematic in legal proceedings and can actually cause major issues. And knowing full well how this info could work in Amber's favor, Elaine wasted no time and is now trying to convince the judge to investigate the entire 6-week trial and to overrule the final verdict. This means if the judge rules in Amber's favor, the Aquaman actress will no longer have to pay the $10.35 million fine to Johnny Depp, and may actually receive a brand new and shiny verdict. Kind of like the new iPhones during Apple release season. But here is where things get a bit tricky. Fans of the court posted very interesting theories that could actually back up what Amber and her entire team is trying to do. According to some law viewers, Elaine may have been sitting on the jurors' documentation error for a while, but chose not to tell the world until the final verdict was up. Just take a look at what the viewers had to say under the Law and Crime comment section. Age legal team recognized the discrepancy from the get-go. They deliberately tucked it away, thinking they would automatically have that as grounds for appeal if they lost. Just more evidence of how unethical they are. Pretty sure it was Elaine's job to check the jurors according to Virginian laws. I don't know about you guys, but I totally believe the comments. I mean, it sounds too good to be true, am I right? Well, even if Amber's last-minute villain plan doesn't work, it looks like Johnny's ex-wife has a few cards up her sleeve. Just recently, the Aquaman actress was invited to a 2-part public interview with NBC Today. The whole point of this interview was to hear Amber's side of things and to basically go viral, but that didn't turn out so well. Just look at the low ratings and you'll see what I mean. Amber tried to convince the world she was actually the victim in the court case and that the jury was influenced by Johnny Depp's career in Hollywood. Oh wait, that's not the best part. Wait until you hear what she had to say about Camille Vasquez. If you remember, Camille said Amber's entire testimony on the trial was the performance of her life. Amber responded to that claim by comparing her so-called performance to Johnny Depp's iconic acting role as Edward Scissorhands. Don't believe me? Check this out.
In the closing arguments, the Depp lawyer called your testimony the performance of a lifetime and said you were acting.
Says the lawyer for the man who convinced the world he had scissors for fingers. I'm the performer. I had listened to weeks of testimony insinuating that, or saying quite directly that, I'm a terrible actress. So I'm a bit confused how I could be both.
So, with her interview views down, Amber is still out here trying to find ways to stay relevant. And you'll never guess what she is planning on doing next. Nope. Guess again. Hollywood insiders are now reporting that Miss Amber Heard is about to sign a $15 million book deal about her marriage with Johnny Depp. A source very close to Amber recently spoke to OK Magazine and shared insider info. Amber considers her career in Hollywood over. She's already in talks and is excited about it. At this point, she has nothing to lose news and wants to tell everyone she is broke and not in a position to turn down money, which is why she is embarking on this new venture. Another insider said this book will be a revenge tell-all where she will expose the deepest and darkest secrets of her marriage. But didn't we just hear the ins and outs of her marriage with Johnny during the 6-week trial? Am I missing something, y'all? Or is there even juicier drama we don't know about? Well, whatever it may be, I will most definitely be looking forward to how Amber and her legal team's lawsuits turn out, and if the judge will actually rule in her favor. But what about you? Do you think Amber Heard may get a retrial and a new verdict? Will the actress pay up that $10 million fine? I would love to read your comments and your thoughts. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks everyone for watching and hope to see you again in the next video.